And I don't like this feeling of being with wet face. That sounded wrong, sorry. Sorry. Hello everyone, my name is Ira Cloud and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you can see, I'm not wearing any makeup today. I'm barefaced, and that means that I'm going to do a makeup challenge. The alphabetical makeup challenge. So everyone has a routine, everyone has their own makeup steps that they follow to do a flawless, gorgeous makeup looks. But today I'm going to change my whole makeup routine and do my makeup with alphabetical order. So, if you want to know how it will turn out at the end, then keep on watching. So, let's get started. My personal makeup routine is first, eyebrow pomade or eyebrow pencil or both of them, eyebrow gel, concealer, eyeshadow, eyeliner, eyelashes, primer, color corrector, foundation, then concealer, powder, contour, bronzer, blush, and highlighter. Then I do my lip makeup and then I set my face with the setting spray. But today my makeup routine is going to change completely. I'm going to do with this order right here. I'm going to do first blush, bronzer, concealer, contour, eyebrow gel, eyebrow pencil, eyebrow pomade, eyelashes, eyeliner, eye primer, eyeshadow, foundation, highlighter, lip gloss, lip pencil, lip primer, because I usually use the lip primer, lipstick, mascara, powder, primer, and finally setting spray. Oh my god, today is going to be a full emotional and makeup mess. First, I'm going to start off with the blush. Usually I use powder products such as blush, contour, and bronzer, but of course today I'm going to use liquid products and I'm going to use the liquid blush. Oh my god, liquid blush. I found my liquid blush. This is the only blush that I have. Usually I don't use any liquid makeup products because I have extremely oily skin and it will crease in like 10 minutes. So today I'm going to use a cream blush from the Maybelline New York, the Dream Touch blush in the shade 2. I received it as a gift somewhere in the makeup store, so I don't know if it is in stock or it is already out of stock. Oh my god, I will put my hair here and I will apply it on my cheek with tapping motions. I will apply plenty amount of the blush because anyway I will cover it up with concealer and foundation and it won't be visible. Oh my god. Usually when I apply liquid products on my face, I feel uncomfortable, I feel wet, and I don't like this feeling of being with wet face. That sounded wrong, sorry. Sorry. I don't like this feeling of the wet makeup on your face. I will take the beauty blender and I will blend a little bit my blush. It looks a little bit weird. I will make it work. My skin is glowing. Oh my god. Next step is going to be bronzer. I don't have liquid bronzers, but I have the Maybelline V Contour stick, and usually I use cool toned contour, and this is warm toned, and it is going to be my bronzer today. And I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. Yeah, see? It is warm toned for me, so I will use it as a bronzer on the forehead, under the bottom lip, a little bit on my nose. Of course, I will contour my nose, but okay, I will use it a little bit on my nose and a little bit here on the jawline. I will have to blend it using damp beauty blender. I'm trying my best, okay? And you have to like this video because you know that I'm trying. I want you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It looks... Oh my god. Usually I use color correctors, but of course I'm not going to use them today. And I'm going to blend it on my nose. I'll put some more on the cheeks. The next letter is C, and C is for concealer. Yes, for concealer. I wanted to use the Tarte Shape Tape, but also I have the infallible L'Oreal concealer. For concealer today, I'm going to use the infallible L'Oreal More Than Concealer in the shade 327 Cashmere. I'm going to apply it pretty much all over my face, under my eyes, on my nose, on my forehead, plenty amount of the concealer, on my chin, on the top lip, pretty much everywhere. Yeah. I will blend it with damp beauty blender. It is full coverage and I like to use it instead of foundation when I do the natural makeup look. And I have the video on my channel if you want to know how to do your makeup without the foundation. So go and check it out. Of course, this is not self-setting concealer and I have oily skin and it will crease, but okay. I will use this second concealer. This is the Max Factor Pan Stick in the shade 12 True Beige. And I'm going to apply it here to cover up my blemishes. I don't know how to describe my feelings now. Next step is contour. I guess so. I have to do the cream contour. Or I will set this contour with the powder contour. I have this Inglot sculpting powder in the shade 510, the coolest shade that they have. On my forehead, I'm working with tapping motions. I'm not scratching with the brush because it will mess up my concealer. Oh my god, the concealer started to crease. Oh my god. Okay, it's not looking so bad. Next step is eyebrows. So the first step is going to be eyebrow gel, then the eyebrow pencil, then the eyebrow pomade, and then that's it. I'm going to start off with an eyebrow gel. Life is difficult. For eyebrow gel, I'm going to use this one right here by Maybelline New York, the Brow Drama Sculpting Brow Mascara in the shade medium brown. Oh my god. Let's get started. It's getting started, yeah. Ba-ba-da-ba-da. Sorry. I feel so weird now because my skin is so wet and I don't have powder on my face yet and I feel very, very uncomfortable. Today I will do fluffy brows. So far so good. Now I'm going to use eyebrow pencil. Next step is eyebrow pomade. I think that I won't use the eyebrow pomade today. So next step is, I don't want to say that. Next step is eyelashes. Yeah. Okay. This is a challenge, baby. Okay, I will put my eyelashes on. Okay. Of course, I don't have any look in my mind. I will take these eyelashes. This is cone heat eyelashes from the AliExpress. And I will take these eyelashes right here. The most nude eyelashes that I have. I will apply them on the unprepped eyelid. And I have oily skin and oily eyelids. But okay, this is a challenge. And I will make it work, hopefully. Oh my god. I have done that on the reverse makeup challenge. I'm going to do nude makeup look. It is not the problem that it looks weird. The problem is that the eyeshadow will fall out on the lashes and it will look messy. Next step is eyeliner. But okay, I will do the eyeliner, but only the inner portion of the eye. My eyeliner is on my lashes now. I'm not going to do a wing. Please forgive me. Next step is eye primer. Yes, eye primer. For eye primer today, I'm going to use the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot eyeshadow primer. And I will carve up my eyebrows also with this primer. Options. The eyeliner said goodbye. The eyelashes are so long and I can barely see my eyelid. Oh my god. The eyeliner is now And time for the eyeshadow. Finally, today I'm going to do very natural makeup look. Warm Neutrals Ultimate NYX eyeshadow palette. I'm going to do a very warm and neutral eyeshadow look, and I'm going to take this shade right here. As you can see, this is my favorite palette because I hit the pan. I will take this one, cool toned brown shade, and I will apply it in my crease with tapping motions. And hopefully I won't mess up my lashes. Oh my god. Oh! I will blend this out using big blending brush and this lighter eyeshadow right here. And now I'm going to apply bright shimmer shade on my eyelid. This one right here. I will apply the same shade under my eyebrow and on the inner corner. Probably I will apply this shade right here on the eyelid. On the lower lash line, I'm going to use this color right here. Warm brown shade. I will blend this using lighter color with big blending brush. I will quickly go off camera and do the other eye, and I'll be right back to save some time. Alright guys, the second eye is done. It's time for the next step, which is F for foundation. Finally, I can use the foundation. Of course, I wanted to use powder foundation. I won't cheat and I will use my all-time favorite foundation. This is matte and full coverage L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24 Hours Matte Cover Foundation in the shade 110 Rose Vanilla. I will apply it on my hand. I will apply it just a little bit with my damn beauty blender. Contour, blush, bronzer now is non-existent. Okay. Whew. Time for the highlighter. For highlighter, I'm going to use my favorite MAC Soft and Gentle Highlighter on the wet skin. Oh my god. My skin is glowing. Oh my god. My skin is glowing. Yeah. My skin is glowing. A little bit of the ASMR. I wanted to tell you that my skin is glowing. Alright, time for the letter L, and it is lips. So first is lip gloss, lip pencil, lip primer, and then lipstick. Of course, I won't prime my lips today because if I put lip gloss, then lip pencil, then lip primer, and then lipstick, it will totally mess up my lips. So no lip primer today. I will use now lip pencil. Oh! And I won't be using lip gloss. For a lip pencil, I'm going to use this one right here, the affordable one, the Rimmel Cosmetics London, the lip pencil in the shade 105 Under My Spell. And I will apply it on my lips, overline my lips as usually. I will take the lip brush and I will make my lips more sharp. Okay, next step is lipstick. And for a lipstick today, I'm going to use the Essence Stay 8 Hours Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 6 To Be Fair. Okay, lipstick is on. And next step is going to be mascara. For mascara, I want to use affordable mascara, the Maybelline The Colossal Volume Express Mascara Smoky Eyes. I can cover all the spots on the lashes that I covered with the primer or the eyeshadow. Next step is powder. Finally, powder. Oh my god. My face is so cakey now, even though I'm wearing matte foundation, but my skin is very oily and I have to set it with a powder. Oh my god, for powder, I'm going to use this one right here by Maybelline, the Fit Me Matte Poreless Pressed Powder in the shade 90 Translucent. I don't like that the contour and the blush is non-existent, but okay. Oh my god, I forgot. Next step is primer, but you know what? Okay, I have two primers, the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer and the L'Oreal Infallible Super Grip Primer. But I'm not going to use them today to not mess up my makeup. And I'm going to use this spray and this one. I have two setting sprays. This I use like setting spray, but this I use also like a primer. So I'm going to use it today as a primer. Oh my god. Oh, and I'm going to tap it onto my face. The last step is setting spray. And for setting spray today, I'm going to use the Diego de la Palma setting spray. Oh, and I also will tap it on my face. Alright guys, and that was the alphabetical makeup challenge. And my face looks pretty good. I like how my makeup looks so far. But, of course, the blush, the bronzer, and the contour are not visible. But I found out a new life hack. You can apply your highlighter on top of the wet foundation and it will turn out much more pigmented than usually. And I think this challenge was successful. So, if you enjoyed watching this video, had fun with me or found it useful, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, that all is IraCloud. And see you in my next video. Bye! Videos that were popular Hello everyone, I'm on the so if you want to know how it did yeah, challenges baby. Like this video and subscribe. And my face looks blah 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 blah.